Home improvement projects can be a rewarding challenge, but having the right tools makes all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the best home improvement tools for DIYers, carefully selected to help you tackle everything from basic repairs to ambitious renovations. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting, these tools are essential for achieving professional-level results. Let's dive in and discover the must-haves for your toolkit. Torpedo Level. When tackling home improvement projects, precise measurements are essential, and a reliable level is a must-have tool. Whether you're installing shelves, hanging artwork, or ensuring your surfaces are aligned, having an accurate level makes all the difference. The Stanley Shock-Proof Torpedo Level is an excellent choice for DIYers. This 230mm level features a durable aluminum body with shock-resistant rubber end caps, ensuring resilience even in tough conditions. The magnetic base provides hands-free convenience, perfect for metal or piping work. With 3 highly visible vials, horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree, it guarantees accurate readings. The V-shaped groove allows for easy leveling on cylindrical surfaces, making this level a versatile and reliable tool for any DIY enthusiast. Multibit Ratchet Screwdriver. The Stanley Multibit Ratchet Screwdriver is a must-have tool for any DIYer looking to tackle a variety of projects with ease and precision. Its compact design, paired with its impressive features, ensures you can handle different fastening tasks effortlessly. This screwdriver comes with a magnetic head that allows for easy bit changes, reducing downtime during work. The internal bit storage keeps everything organized and within reach. The tri-lobe bimaterial handle provides a comfortable grip, offering maximum torsion and reducing hand fatigue. Its 3-position ratchet mechanism makes it versatile, while the 10 included bits cover a wide range of fastening needs. Whether you're assembling furniture or working on repairs, this tool is an essential addition to your toolkit. Its efficiency and reliability make it a great choice for DIY projects of all sizes. Claw Hammer. The Stanley 16-ounce fiberglass curved claw hammer is a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. With its robust 16-ounce head, it's perfect for driving nails into wood or light-duty fixing tasks. The fiberglass handle provides added strength and durability, while the bimaterial grip ensures comfort and anti-slip security during use. The curved claw design is ideal for removing nails, making this hammer highly versatile. Its lightweight construction reduces user fatigue, making it a reliable tool for all your home improvement projects. Whether you're building or repairing, the Stanley 16-ounce claw hammer delivers performance with comfort and durability, definitely worth adding to your toolkit. Combination pliers. For any DIYer looking for a reliable, all-purpose tool, the Stanley combination pliers is a must-have in your toolkit. Perfect for gripping, twisting, bending, and cutting, these pliers are designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease. Crafted from high-quality drop-forged steel, these pliers deliver exceptional strength and durability, making them suitable for even the toughest jobs. The ergonomic Dynagrip handle provides a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue, ensuring you can work longer without discomfort. Whether you're working on electrical projects or general repairs, the precision jaws offer a firm hold and accurate control. The multifunctional design with a strong grip and the ability to cut makes them versatile for both light and heavy-duty use. Overall, the Stanley STA 074456 combination pliers offer the perfect blend of comfort, performance, and durability, making them an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast. Tape measure. The Stanley Tylon Pocket Tape Measure is an essential tool for anyone tackling home improvement projects. Whether you're measuring for a new DIY build or simply need a reliable tool for everyday tasks, this tape measure combines durability and precision. The Tylon-coated blade provides wear resistance, ensuring long-lasting use. One of its standout features is the True Zero end hook, which compensates for both inside and outside measurements, making it ideal for accurate, versatile use. The bimaterial case offers a comfortable, non-slip grip, while the matte finish reduces glare for easy reading in various lighting conditions. With a tape standout of 1.75 meters, this tape measure can handle longer reaches without bending. For anyone looking for a dependable, easy-to-use tape measure, the Stanley Tylon is the perfect choice. Caulking Gun. When it comes to home improvement, having the right tools can make all the difference, and the PTI Strong Caulking Gun is a must-have for any DIYer. This tool is designed for heavy-duty use and ensures precise application of sealants, silicones, and adhesives for a range of projects around the home, from sinks to showers. The PTI Strong Caulking Gun stands out with its durable, powder-coated steel frame, offering robust strength while remaining lightweight. It's perfect for 400 milliliters and 310 milliliters cartridges, making it versatile for different sealant sizes. One of the best features is its dripless mechanism, which prevents the caulk from continuing to flow after use, keeping your work area neat. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort, even during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. Whether you're sealing cracks or applying adhesives, this caulking gun is built to perform with ease and efficiency. Highly recommended for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Laser Level. If you're tackling home improvement projects, having a reliable tool like the Bosch Easy Level Laser Spirit Level is a must-have for precise alignment and accuracy. This tool effortlessly combines the functions of a traditional spirit level with advanced laser technology, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Whether you're hanging shelves, installing pictures, or setting up curtains, the Bosch Easy Level provides a 5-meter laser line and a 20-meter laser point for superior precision. The design is compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, ensuring it can be used with one hand for convenience. Its integrated wall mount and magnets make it ideal for quick and secure setups. Plus, the clear laser lines reduce any guesswork, ensuring your project is perfectly aligned every time. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, this tool offers great value for its price, combining practicality and accuracy in one efficient package. Utility Knife. When it comes to essential tools for DIY enthusiasts, the Stanley FatMax retractable folding utility knife stands out as a must-have. Its versatile design and reliable functionality make it ideal for a wide range of cutting tasks. This tool features a convenient folding mechanism, allowing it to be easily carried in your pocket or toolbox. The retractable blade ensures safety, preventing accidental cuts and extending the blade's lifespan. The interlocking design keeps the blade secure during use, giving you peace of mind. Additionally, the tool-free blade change system allows you to quickly swap blades, reducing downtime. It also includes a built-in string cutter perfect for cutting cords or threads with precision. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, and the integrated belt clip ensures easy portability. With 3 high-quality blades included, the Stanley FatMax utility knife is an essential, reliable tool for any DIYer. Trigger Clamp. Next up in our review of top DIY tools is the Irwin Quick Grip Light Duty Mini Trigger Clamp Twin Pack, an essential for anyone looking to tackle smaller woodworking and home improvement projects. With a sturdy clamping force of up to 63 kilograms, these clamps ensure reliable grip on a variety of workpieces, making them indispensable for tight spaces and precision tasks. The ergonomic design features a comfortable handle and a quick-release trigger, allowing you to operate the clamp easily with one hand. This makes your work more efficient and less tiring, especially on prolonged tasks. With a 62mm throat depth, the clamps can reach into confined areas with ease, ensuring you can get a firm hold even in hard-to-reach spots. These clamps are built to last with durable resin and carbon steel construction. The non-marring pads protect your materials from scratches, making them a perfect choice for delicate tasks. For anyone in need of a reliable, versatile clamp, this twin pack delivers excellent value. Filling Knives. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking to tackle small repairs and projects around the house, the Harris Seriously Good Continental Filling Knives 4-pack is a must-have in your toolkit. This versatile set is designed for precision and ease of use, making your filling tasks quicker and more efficient. The set includes 4 knives with flexible stainless steel blades in sizes 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, and 5 inches, which gives you the right tool for a variety of applications, from fine surface fillers to wood fillers. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, allowing for better control during use. What's more, the knives are made with durable materials that can withstand the demands of regular use, offering long-lasting performance. Whether you're repairing small holes or cracks, this set provides the quality and flexibility you need for precise work. A great addition for any DIYer who wants reliable tools that get the job done. Wrecking Bar. When it comes to demolition and general wrecking tasks, having a reliable and strong tool is essential. The Roughneck Wrecking Bar is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to tackle heavy-duty jobs. With a 36-inch length, this bar provides plenty of leverage, making it perfect for prying, lifting, and breaking apart materials. The polished tips and powder-coated finish not only ensure corrosion resistance, but also improve the overall durability of the tool. Designed with a beveled nail remover, this wrecking bar makes it easier to extract embedded nails, streamlining your workflow. Made from drop-forged and heat-treated steel, it offers exceptional strength, ideal for even the most demanding tasks. With a 25-year guarantee, this wrecking bar is built to last, providing long-term reliability for professionals and DIYers alike. Whether you're working on home renovations or tackling a demolition project, the Roughneck is a tool you can trust. Voltage tester. When it comes to tackling DIY home improvement projects, having the right tools at your disposal is essential. One such indispensable tool is the VENLAB voltage tester, an affordable yet high-quality option for safely detecting electrical voltage. This non-contact voltage tester offers dual-range functionality, making it versatile enough to handle a variety of electrical systems. The device is equipped with a sensitive non-contact voltage probe, allowing you to detect live wires without direct contact, ensuring your safety during inspections. Its audible alarms and flashing LED indicator light help you easily identify voltage levels, with the light turning red and the beeps becoming faster as you get closer to the live wire. Additionally, the built-in flashlight makes it a handy tool for working in low-light conditions, while its compact size makes it easy to carry around in your pocket. If you're in need of a reliable and affordable voltage tester, the VENLAB VD200 is an excellent choice.